Hey, Diana J. Brody here from Next Level Editing Academy, and in this video, I will show you exactly how video editors can use AI to help pivot genres. Nowadays, everybody's looking to pivot genres. Things are tough in our industry, but if you're looking to go from corporate to documentary, or documentary to scripted, or scripted to whatever, you're going to want to watch this. It's a segment that I like to call
Beep boop bop robot overlord.
Okay, here we go. Prompt number 1 for how video editors can use AI to pivot genres. Here we go. What are the editing conventions and stylistic expectations in the new genre compared to your current genre? Okay, this may sound like, you might be like, duh, I know, I'm gonna need to know a different skill set to edit corporate instead of editing scripted, right? You know those are two different skill sets, but let the AI outline those specific skill sets of the differences between the two genres, because that way you'll have fodder for your cover letter in how to reframe your work for the genre you're looking to pivot to. So this seems like a stupid prompt, but it is in fact a really, really solid prompt. See what the AI has to say, see the list they have, and then use that list to pivot in your cover letter. Okay, really quickly, before we hit prompt number 2, look in the description. If you are looking to pivot genres, or you're looking to restructure your career in any way, shape, or form, and you want some help with that, I'm giving out free 20-minute consultations. Hit that link in the description for free from me to you. Let me help you, give you some good ideas to get your career either in a pivot or moving forward in the direction you want. It's free, folks. That's my favorite price for anything. So look in the description. Okay, here we go. Prompt number 2. What are the most in-demand skills or software proficiencies for editors working in the target genre right now? If you're looking to move from corporate to scripted, guess what? You're going to need to learn Avid. By the way, I've got courses on that, so there are links in the description for that as well. But that's a pivot. If you're looking to work in scripted is still largely being cut on Avid, so you're going to want to know that. But also, right, you might need to know After Effects. If you're looking to pivot from scripted because scripted work has gone way down and you're looking to pivot, let's say, into corporate, you might need to know After Effects. You might need to know Canva. You might need to know Photoshop. You may need to know Resolve. Ask the AI, what are the most in-demand skills or software proficiencies that you need to know in your target genre, and then update your resume accordingly. Okay. Prompt number 3 for how video editors can use AI to pivot genres. Ask the AI, can you help me translate my experience in my current genre into a language that resonates with hiring managers in the target genre? This is such an important one. It helps reframe your credits and capabilities so that they align with what recruiters are looking for. Don't forget, you can always upload your resume to ChatGPT and have it analyze it and reframe your work for you for a more targeted answer. You can upload your resume and then say, use this information, reframe this information from current genre to target genre, and have the AI do it. While we can, we want the robots to work for us before we are working entirely for them. And that day feels like it's coming sooner than later. Okay, how video editors can use AI to pivot genres. Prompt number 4. What should I include in a portfolio or reel to appeal to producers and post supervisors in the target genre? Different genres require different emphasis. Knowing what clips and what techniques to showcase is key. Let the AI help you with that. Before I get to rule number 5, let me also mention, if a 20-minute free consultation that I talked about in the beginning seems too short and you want to do a deep dive with me, and I've been doing this a lot lately, There's also a 3-hour deep dive with me. That link is below as well. And we can do this together. We can reframe your resume and your website. And if you're doing a reel, and I don't know how useful a reel is for editors, but you may want to make one for your top video on your webpage. Sure, you could do that. We can let me help you with all of that. We can work together to get all of that up to date. 3-hour consultation. Take a look down below for that link. Okay, number 5. Who are the top networks, studios, or production companies hiring editors in my target genre, and how can I get on their radar? This is a great question. This is a great use of AI. Let the AI scan the web for these post houses, networks, studios, streamers, etc. Let the AI do all of that for you. I love this one. This one is great, and give you a list of companies. And then make a schedule, contact those companies, reach out. If you don't hear anything, reach back out. I would do this once a month. It's worth it. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. Listen, also, by the way, you're going to probably need to adjust these prompts a little bit to be more specific for what you're exactly looking for, and so feel free, but these are great jumping off point. Here are all 5 right here, all 5 of them. So screenshot this, take a screenshot, because here are your prompts, right? You can always, by the way, ask ChatGPT to give you prompts for whatever answer that you're trying to get. If you're not getting a good answer, you can plug into ChatGPT, here's what I'm looking for, give me a prompt that will help you return a good result for me. And ChatGPT will give you the prompt to ask it, right? It's like a snake eating its own tail. But while we still have power over the robot overlords, let's use them to help us. Don't forget also, you can ask ChatGPT, before you answer, ask me 5 questions that will help you return a better result. And then, after it asks you those 5 questions, in one reply, don't do number 1, hit enter. Do all 5 in one reply. And if you don't know the answer to 1, just say, 1, don't know, 2, answer, 3, answer, right? And then do all of those, then hit enter. And then ChatGPT will take all that information that you've given it and return a better result. I can't tell you how much better this is. That's a bonus prompt for you. Ask ChatGPT, before you answer, ask me 5 questions that will help you return a better result. That's a freebie from me to you. Okay, that was 5 strong prompts to help video editors use AI to pivot genres. I hope this was helpful. If you know a good prompt, leave it in the comments. If you're having trouble switching genres or you're struggling in your career, I feel you. I've been in this business for like nearly 30 years now, for real, and this is the slowest I've ever seen our industry. So I feel you. My heart is going out to all of you. If you're looking for help, hit up that free 20-minute consult or take a 3-hour deep dive with me. Let me help you pivot careers. I've been doing this a lot for myself over the past 2 years. So let me help you and we can work this out together. You're not alone in this. So hopefully this will help you in your job search. Let's all get work together, and I'll see you in the next video.